Hello friends! Today we're here at Sverlyk and our social project is growing bigger and bigger every week. And this time was not an exception. This week we had a really interesting family master classes where children together with their parents could spend some quality time together doing something really important. Not only people are suffering from the consequences of war, but also our pets. They are being lost, abandoned, and even injured. So for those dogs who were saved and transferred to Lviv, here at Sverlyk we have made special dog houses so they can feel safe and comfortable. Thanks to the support of our donators, lots of good deeds are becoming possible here at Sverlyk.
In this difficult time for Ukraine, we really need your support. So please join us on our social networks, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook and YouTube. You can also donate at PayPal and Patreon. Thank you.